Okay, 15.7 is about annulment or invalidity. Annulment is not the same as divorce. This is where the marriage is actually canceled, and it is as though it never happened. That is because either there was a license to get married issued that maybe shouldn't have been. Perhaps the license was issued, but it turns out one of the parties was already married. There's maybe some sort of material misrepresentation. One of the parties at the time of the marriage was under duress. There was some sort of mental incapacity when they entered into the marriage, either through intoxication or some sort of disability. Um, or if in the case of a minor, maybe there wasn't the proper consent that was needed. In some way, that marriage should not have been allowed to happen, and in that case, it can get annulled. Now, different states have put statutes of limitations on this to say, listen, you only have a certain period of time in order to get an annulment, otherwise, you'd have to go through the divorce process. Why? Well, the annulment process is much cleaner, much quicker, but they don't want people just seeking that as an easy path to deal with divorce. Divorce is certainly going to cost people more money, but it's also going to deal with many more issues, and it's going to make sure that the court is able to sort out all issues related to property and children and things like that, where an annulment is not going to dive that far into it. So states are limiting when you are able to actually get an annulment.